Hey, welcome to Digital Fix Pro. And today we are talking about the YouTube algorithm. We will dive into one of the most important aspects of your success on YouTube, the infamous YouTube algorithm, whether you are a seasoned creator or just starting out. Understanding how the algorithm works is crucial to getting your content discovered and growing your channel. So, exactly what is the algorithm? It's basically a system designed by YouTube to figure out which videos to recommend to people and when to show them. Think of it like a matchmaking engine that connects the viewers with the content that they are most likely going to enjoy, engage with, and keep coming back. At its core, the algorithm is driven by three main goals: keeping viewers satisfied, encourage them to keep watching, and making them engage with content. When your videos do all three, YouTube rewards you with more visibility. But here's the key: YouTube isn't just focused on clicks, it's optimized for watch time and viewer retention. So the algorithm pushes your content to other viewers. A video with a higher watch time means that people find it more valuable, which is exactly what YouTube wants. So always think about ways to keep your viewers watching your videos longer. One way to do this is by looking at your audience retention graphs on the YouTube analytics. These graphs tell you when people are dropping off and when they're most engaged. This data is a gold mine because you could use it to improve your future videos, engagement, and session duration. This will impact on how the algorithm treats your videos with engagement, likes, comments, and shares. All these are signals that people are interacting with your content, session duration, and it refers to how long the viewer stays on the platform after watching your videos. If they stay longer and keep watching other videos, YouTube sees this as a positive thing and rewards your content. So, how do you make that algorithm work for you that focuses on creating content, not only that grabs attention, but also holds it? You use a strong hook in the beginning, keeping your content engaging throughout, and invite your audience to engage with your videos by asking for likes and comments. You want them to stay on YouTube and enjoy their experience. That's how the algorithm will start pushing your videos to more people. By the end of the day, the algorithm job is to keep people on YouTube as much as possible. It's a business, and your job is to create videos that helps YouTube do just that. And if you could master that, you not only will get more views, but more subscribers and higher engagement. Here's a quick recap on what we just covered. Number one, click through rates, thumbnails, and titles are key for getting clicks. Two, watch time. The more people watch, the better for you with the platform. The more people watch, the better your video will perform. Number three, engagement such as likes, comments, and shares. Four, session duration creates content that keeps viewers on the YouTube platform longer. Focus on these four factors, and you'll start seeing real results with the algorithm. If this brought value to you, please share your comments below. If you want to learn more about YouTube, check out my funnels, automations, and YouTube course inside the Shifting Gears community. See description for details. Thank you for spending time on my channel. Have a great day.